Having trouble choosing the perfect color while designing? Good designers follow color theory while designing. Choose colors by following the rules of complementary, triadic, triad, etc. In the beginning, you have to struggle to select colors according to color theory in the software. You cannot apply these properly in your Photoshop software, because these options are not there. A software called Colorous can solve this problem. Let's see how this can help you focus.